Greetings and Happy New Year's as we bid 2018 a fond farewell. As we begin, since April of 2013 to September of this past year, the news media outlets have been constantly reporting that the stock market has set new record highs. I would like to pose a question to you, but first, let me throw out some more information to you. From July of 1980 to March of 2000, again, the media outlets also constantly reported that the stock market was setting record new highs. But wait, again, before I ask my question, since the creation of the composite index, and as we know it today as the S&P 500, up until September of this past year, the media outlets have reported on the record-setting highs. So here's my question. If the stock market is continually setting record new highs, how do people lose money in the stock market? Panic? Greed? Or maybe it's the lack of education. No, I'm not speaking of the lack of formal education. I speak of the lack of understanding of the mechanics of money, the stock market, and the economy. This lack of understanding actually transform into fear, panic. In the words of Andrew Smith, people fear what they do not understand. We make panic decision mistakes based on the fear of not understanding and prior to the processing of all of the information. With this, I want to take a step forward by reviewing why I pursued you and ask you to partner up with me as your financial advisor. To do this, let's look at what you should be expecting from me. What is my job description? I am that someone who provides wisdom and guidance. I remove the emotional tie to the decisions and present to you thought out and researched answers. As your advisor, I am the one who talks you off the ledge when fear wants you to make a fatal mistake in judgment and encourage you as you venture the path of the unknown. My job is to educate you with unbiased information and to provide a guided path to the goals and dreams we discuss in our meetings. My career is solely based on your success. So, as your advisor, I want to now speak on what to expect as we move forward in 2019. However, prior to us peering into the future, let's take a peek in the past. As most of you have noticed about your account, and also the same can be said as the majority of my clients, the accounts I manage are well diversified and are not exclusively in the stock market. However, I would like to mention what I think is some calming information. The 2018 U.S. stock market posted a negative return. Yes, it's a fact, and we've all felt it. But did you know in the past 20 years, the stock market has only posted 4 negative years? That's 15 years of positives. But wait, there's more. For the past 30 years, the market has only posted 5 negative years, this making number 6. However, those 24 years have accounted for market growth of over 10 times. If you were to ignore the negative headlines of Black Monday, October 19th, 1987, and invested in the S&P 500 index and continue to ignore the headlines over the past 30 years, your money would have multiplied by over 10 times. In fact, let's look at what the market traditionally performs after it posts a negative year. Oh my! Now, my crystal ball broke a few years back, but oh boy, if history repeats itself, oh my gosh. Look at the performance after the down years. Not saying that it will happen again, but if history repeats itself. So, Will the media outlets in 2019 once again be reporting on new record highs? You see, all of this is difficult to predict. But as we do venture forward into 2019, I still stand firm behind the correspondence that I sent you at the end of November discussing the strength of the economy and how the U.S. economy still appears to be in good shape. As I read between the lines of data releases and the Federal Reserve's actions recently, I believe this current market reaction is just a correction and should only last for a short term. The appearance of the technical data provides the fact that we have the support and strength to continue the growth momentum of this stock market. As your advisor, and as always, I ask that you please remember that I am always just a phone call away. I am available to sit and discuss your account, your goals, your dreams, and your concerns. My singular focus is on the success of your investments, and I will commit to you that I will never lose that focus. As I wrap up this video, I am reminded of the letter to shareholders Warren Buffett sent in 2017 and would like to share a blurb with you. When major declines occur, however, they are extraordinary opportunities to those who are not handicapped by debt. That's the time to heed these lines from Kipling's If. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, yours is the earth and everything that is in it. I appreciate your time, and more importantly, the trust that you have placed in me. I wish you many blessings of success and for your family in this upcoming 2019. Thank you and have a blessed day.